So I'm Joe, Fleet Manager for Still Truck Transport, and we're going to go over some air leak diagnostics now and repairs. So this truck has an audible air leak in this area. You can try is grab hold of the air lines, wiggle around them, put your hand on the fittings, see if it goes away or if you feel the air leaking. Oh, right here's our leak. If you can't find it that way, another way, you can get leak detector or even water with a little bit of soap. It'll create bubbles and you can spray everything down. Spraying it down, it will create a big bubble to where the air leak is, like right there. It could have a messed up end from vibration or from being installed, causing it to leak. Now this is saying that's a supply line, so you're going to want to drain the air in the truck first, and then we'll be able to repair that. Let's drain it out. You can just pump up the brake so you really hear no air being exhausted anymore. Your tank's pretty empty, and you turn the key on, see that you're empty. And this is a quick connect fitting. What we gotta do is push it on the line, push it on this brass collar to release the line. This thing, it does have a little bevel on the end. That could be causing it to leak. And as you can see here, you can see where the fitting is crimping down on it. That could also be where a leak is on one of these. Now, what you do to fix that is you just find yourself a hard surface. Try to cut that off as straight as possible. Push it back in until you feel it fully seated. Give it a good pull, and you're good. Again, you don't have to cut much off, just enough to where you're getting past where that crimp mark is, and to get down to the beveled portion. Then we can go ahead, restart the truck, and build up air pressure. You can rebuild air pressure and up there, spray down. While this is building air, there's a couple different types of fittings you can get. You can get the quick connect style, which is this one, just pushes together. Another version is compression. In here you got the ferrule and the compression part. When you do that, you just stick this over the hose a little bit. Stick the hose in here. Then you tighten this down just so it snugs up. You don't want to over tighten it because you'll crimp the heck out of it. These work very well, pretty leak resistant. These, after a while, they start to leak. All right, our purge valve shut off. So let's shut truck off. Let's recheck for leaks. Our trouble line, we got no bubbles. We got leak detector on it. We can respray it. And as you can see, we have no bubbles formed besides what was created when we sprayed it on there, along with nothing else. Nothing else bubbling up. So we're all set there. If you have any questions on this or any other pointers on, or you have any suggestions for videos, feel free to write down in the comments. We try to respond as quick as possible when we get a chance to. All right, thank you.